I'd like a room, please.
Do you have a reservation, sir?
No, I don't.
Okay. How many nights?
4 nights, please.
For one person or two?
Just one, please.
Okay. Do you want breakfast?
Yes.
Okay, that will be $400.
Whoa. $400.
Yes, sir. We are well-known hotel after all.
Well. Fine. I am here on business anyway. So at least I am staying on the company's dime. What's included in this cost anyway?
Well, breakfast, sauna, room service, internet, and the use of hotels safe are all included.
And what is not included?
Well, you are going to find a mini bar in your room. Use of it will be charged to your account.
Okay. This is great. My room number, please.
Your room number is 225. In the 3rd floor, you can take the elevator. And here is your key. The bellboy will help you with your bags.
Okay. Thanks.
My pleasure, sir. Have a wonderful stay at the amazing hotel. Hello, sir. How can I help you?
I want to check out, please.
No problem. We are always ready to serve you. Your room number, please.
225.
How was everything?
The room was great. The bed was very comfortable. The best thing was the mini bar.
Happy to hear that, sir. Will you be putting the cost on your card?
Yes. But give me the receipt, please.
Yes, of course. I'll just need your room key, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. This is your receipt. And have a safe trip home.